Let's go for it. Wrist,
और कोई बिना शर्ट वाली खराब है क्या?
fingers,
आप दोगे?
wave.
चेयर को किनारे कर देना.
Put yourself on mute, please. Left to right and right to left. All right, rotations. First the thumb, then the fingers. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Hands open, elbows clockwise. Now when I'm moving the elbow, I'm only moving the elbow. The elbow to shoulder is not moving, only elbow to the wrist is moving. Okay? Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Up and down. Open and close. Hands open towards the sky, circumductions. Reverse. Neck rotation. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Up and down. Left to right. Protraction, retraction. Twisting. Now only move your upper body, keep your hips stable, rotate your shoulder as much as you can. Big inhale and try to stretch from the empty space from your belly. Side stretch. Side change. Aim for 5 to 6 each side. Hip rotations. Again, isolation, only the hip is moving, not the shoulder. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Chili, leg swing in, leg right, both the legs facing the wall, both the foot facing the wall, 6 swings each side. Beautiful. Floor bang, cat and cow. Inhale. Ribcage towards the floor. Open your pelvic in anterior shoulder. Press back towards the hip. Watch the shoulder movement like this. Exhale. Exhale with your mouth. Shoulder rotate. Try to touch your ear to the shoulder. Punch. Inhale. Exhale. Alright, puppy pose. Both the hands on the floor. Pelvic open all the way down. Try to touch your armpits on the floor and your chin. Posterior. Come back up. Anterior. Go down. Posterior. Come back up. Anterior. Go down. Let's go. हाथ पास में रखेंगे एवरीवन. सुभाषिनी, प्लीज वॉच मी. द हैंड शुड बी ऑन टॉप ऑफ ईच अदर. इंटरलॉक योर फिंगर्स एंड गो. 5. Without bending the elbows.
4. Purnima, do not bend the elbows. Keep your palm straight. Elbow straight. Palm pressed against the floor. 3. राजेश जी थोड़ा सा नीस पीछे लीजिए. Yes. And go. Much better. 2. चलिए one last and hold. Purnima all the way down. All the way down. Look forward. Hip ज्यादा पीछे चला गया. Knees and hips in line. हाँ, हाथ आगे लो. हाथ आगे लो. Yes, now you're doing good. Keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing. Touch करना है, chin touch करना है. Very good, very good, very nice. 10, 9, 8. Archana, beautiful. 7. Toes roll. Relax your body. Big inhale in. Short inhale. Long exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest it out. Relax. Watch me for this one. We're going for the hamstring stretch, dosto. 4 inches. 4 inches. Do not open your leg. Do not keep it like this. Do not keep it like this. Keep your leg straight. 4 inches distance between the leg. Okay? Watch it. Here. Anterior. Create a nice arch. Big inhale. Open your rib cage. Chest open towards the sky and shoulder roll back. From here, press your toes. Body weight on your toes. And forward bend. Once you reach here, you start feeling it in your hamstring. Keep opening the pelvic. Keep opening the pelvic. Okay? Big inhale. Go down. Exhale. Come up. Big inhale. Go down. Exhale. Come up. Let's go for it. Aim for 6 of these. I want spine straight or arched. Okay? Let's go. Big inhale, ribcage open, chest open towards the sky, shoulder roll back, forward bend, keeping the body weight on your toes. 1. All the way up and down. 2. Inhale, go down. Exhale, come up. 3. Beautiful. 4. Very good. Body weight on your toes, Archana. 5. चलिए होल्ड करेंगे. Find your best stretch and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest it out, relax. Alright, come down into your squat position. Watch me, toes open 90 degrees if you can. Keep them wide and come down. Keep pushing your toes on the floor, hips on the floor. If you can keep your forearms, keep your forearms. Now knees back like this without opening the foot. Without opening the foot. 10, 9, 8. Keep pushing the hip on the floor. 7, 6, 5, 4. Toes or open karo. Open your toes more. Keep them at 90 degrees if you can. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Chali, butterfly. Again the cat and the cow, dosto. Use your hand to open your pelvic like this. You should feel the hip joint on the floor. It helps you keeping your spine straight, okay? If you're hinging, the stretch will not go to the adductor muscles. You need to keep your spine straight, open your pelvic. Use your hand. You can be here, keeping the spine straight. You can be here, or you can be here as well. This is the easiest way, right? Keeping the spine straight is more important than doing this. This is not good. Spine straight. 10, 9. Keep going forward if you can, making sure the spine is straight. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful, dosto. 90-90 legs open. 1. Open the leg first. Feel the stretch here. Push your knees towards the floor and then switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more round here. Keeping the hands in the air. Same thing. Now the shoulder on top of the hip. Try to move from the hip and try to keep your upper body stable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More distance between the leg. More distance between the leg. 6. You should have a straight line here. 90-degree. It's called 90-90. There's a 90-degree angle. Okay. 8, 9, and 10. Rest. Alright. You can keep 2 pillows under the knee, or if your mat is soft, it's all good. We go for the frog, dosto. Now, please watch it carefully and then give it a go. अच्छे से देखिए, अच्छे से देखिए. What we are really looking for is the cat and cow movement. The cat and the cow movement. We are looking for this movement. Open your knees wider and keep trying this. If you think this is a good spot, very good. We'll start from here. Okay? So and keep your pelvic in anterior and push back like this. 1, 2, 3. The pelvic should not hunch. This should not happen. Okay? You keep it like this and then you push. This should not happen. Okay? So keep your pelvic in anterior and you go down. Slightly easy will be from the forearms. The more weight you keep on the hip, the more difficult it's become to hold the hip. Okay? Let's go. 20, 19, 18. Don't bring your toes close. Keep your legs open. Foot open. 17, 16, 15. पीछे लेके आओ अर्चना. अर्चना और पीछे लेके आओ. Close to your foot. 14. हाँ पीछे तक लेके आओ और 13, 12. Go for it, Priya. I'm watching. 11. Very good. 10, 9. Archana, legs more open, more wide. Foot open karo. Foot. Open your foot. Archana. Yes. Now go. Very good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Archana, pelvic round होने लगता है. Everyone, watch me one more version here. So you find your spot, you push your hip back like this, okay? You hold it here or you can hold it here as well. From here, you want to do this. 1. This is anterior, posterior. 2. If you can go wide, you want to go more wide. 3. Keep pushing the hip back. Don't keep it here. Keep it back and then try. 3, 4. So you can keep it here, you can try it from here as well. 5, 6. Okay? Let's go for it. Aim for 20 again. Check. 20, 19. Move the pelvic. Don't move the spine. The movement should come from the pelvic, everyone. The movement should not come from the spine. Focus on the pelvic. Subhashini, focus on the pelvic. No spine movement. The pelvic should move. The hip should move. Rajesh ji, go for it. Yes, Rajesh ji, better. Yes, Archana, perfect. Knees or wide karo. Archana, there is too much space. Open your knees wider. More distance between the knees. Go deep into the stretch. Radha, अच्छा है. Very good try. चलिए 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest it out. Good job. चलिए last stretch for the pelvic or the middle splits. You can keep your hip elevated. You can keep the pillows or you can also use the block. The goal here is to make sure your pelvic is in anterior, not in posterior. Okay. So the first stretch here, toes pointed, leg straight, muscles engaged. Okay. Anterior and posterior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go for 20 of these. Very good. Again, the movement should come from the pelvic, everyone. Focus on your pelvic movement. Very good. 10. Toes pointed, Archana. Thumb touch करने की कोशिश करो फ्लोर पे when you going to the anterior. जब आप anterior में जा रहे हैं, जिनका middle splits अच्छा है, जब आप anterior में जा रहे हैं, leg और open कीजिए. Keep opening the legs, right? Keep pushing it back. The second thing is you try to touch your toes, right? Touch your toes. The thumb should touch on the floor. Okay? Chal. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. हाथ आगे नहीं लेके जाओ सुभाषिनी. One step back from the hand and open your anterior more. 7. Watch Archana. Try to do from here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Radha, very good. And hold it. Everyone, hold it here. In anterior, watch me. So hold your anterior here, touching the floor. And then you walk. 1, keeping the spine straight. 2, I'm trying to touch my navel on the floor. 3, okay, let's go for it. 4, toe touching, Archana, touch karo, toes ko touch karo. 5, yes, very good. 6, 7, 8, toes point Radha, muscle engage. 9, everyone hold at the final stretch. Hold at the final stretch for 10, 9, 8, 7, short inhale, long exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest it up. चलिए शोल्डर ओपनिंग लगाएंगे दोस्तों, ध्यान से देखिए. We need a bench or a chair. And you go. The goal is to first find the good alignment, which is 90 degree, wrist to elbow, elbow to shoulder. 90 degree. Okay. We keep it on the edge of the bench. Edge of the bench. Bring your knees back and try to touch the armpit. Push your armpit towards the floor. 1, 2, 3. Look forward, don't look down. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's aim for 20 here. चलिए. 1. On the edge, Archana, on the edge. Keep it on the edge. Priya, on the edge. On the edge of the chair or the bench, whatever you're using. Yes, let's go. Knees back, Subhashini, knees back. Very good. Archana, look forward. Look at the chair or look at your block, if possible. Chali. 10, look at the block. Radha, don't look down. 7. Priya, you're not on the edge of the bed. Stay on the edge of the bed. On the edge, yes. Find something else. 6, 5, 4, 3. Don't move your pelvic, Rajesh. Keep pressing your shoulders on the floor. 3. Go for it, Archana. Don't stop. 2, एंड वन, रेस्ट इट आउट। चलिए ध्यान से देखिए दोस्तों, सम ऑफ यू आर होल्डिंग द ब्लॉक लाइक दिस, सम ऑफ यू आर होल्डिंग द ब्लॉक लाइक दिस, you need to hold it like this. You need to make sure your alignment is really straight. Okay, chaliye, one other stretch here is holding the upper body, keeping the shoulder pushed towards the floor, armpits towards the floor, and then you need to move your pelvic into posterior and your rib cage. The goal is to get the straight spine. Watch me, I'll do it and then you give it a go. Again a cat and cow version only. Elbows on the edge. First the shoulder press towards the floor. जितना हो सकता है उतना. Okay? Keeping the elbows in line with the hands. From here, first goal is the pelvic and then the rib cage. Keeping the spine still. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale, go down. Exhale, come up. 3. Keeping the spine straight. That's the goal, dosto. 4. Let's go slow and control. Aim for 8 to 10 reps. Isolate your shoulder, your rib cage and your pelvic. Independently you should be able to move. जब pelvic move करें तब shoulder should not move. When you move your pelvic, the shoulder should not move and vice versa. Very good, Radha. Engage more, 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 more. Engage more, 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 and that's your spot. Go back again. Very good. Let's go, Archana. Press. Engage more. पूरा नीचे और आओ. और नीचे आओ, और नीचे आओ, और नीचे आओ. Then go. Exhale. More engage and hold it here. Shoulder अभी भी move हो रहा है. Archana, focus on your shoulder should not move. Let's go, Radha. Engage. Yes, yes. Don't look up. Very good. Look at the chair. Look at the chair. Now what you're doing is you're moving your neck along with your pelvic. Don't move it. Keep your gaze straight. Keep your gaze straight. Very good, Archana. More, more. Engage more. Engage your rib cage. Archana, pelvic is nicely engaged. Rib cage more. Very good. Go again. Posterior tight. Rib cage engage. Go for it, Archana. I'm watching. अभी भी spine straight नहीं हुआ है. और खींचो. More, more. Rib cage. Where is your rib cage? That's your pelvic. Rib cage खींचो अंदर. नहीं आ रहा है. अर्चना, rib cage move नहीं हो रहा है. Very good, Damodar. Priya, very good job. Archana, come back again. Everyone, please watch it one more time. There is a small awareness which will be important for your handstand straight line as well. There are 3 factors here or 3 spots which creates a straight spine, right? First, the shoulder opening. Second, the rib cage part, which is the middle of the spine, and then the pelvic, right? For you to get a straight line in the spine or in your handstand, you need to be able to move them separately. Watch it. Now everyone do it for the awareness. Even though you have a good straight spine, just do it for the awareness. Elbows open all the way. Now here my rib cage. Now when I say my rib cage, this is exactly my rib cage, right? This is the rib cage, the middle of the spine. I am trying to push the rib cage towards the floor and pushing the armpit towards the floor like this, anterior, right? From here, this is the pelvic movement. This is not the rib cage movement. This is the pelvic movement. Open and close. This is the pelvic movement. When I am at the rib cage, I am squeezing from here, whoop, like this. You see the movement? This is from the rib cage, right? Learn to move them separately. It will help you in your straight line, right? Chale, go back again. Aim for 5. Archana, you're missing that rib cage part. The pelvic is going nicely. Let's go. Slow and control. Knees behind. Subhashini, knees पीछे लो और हाथ सीधा. अर्चना, हाथ सीधा. Hand towards the sky. Very good. Shoulder open all the way. Now posterior tight. Posterior tight करो. Rib cage खींचो अभी. Rib cage और सही जा रहे हो, but और more. Archana, more. It's not enough. You see the spine. Watch. I put you on spotlight. डू इट अंटिल यू डोंट यू कीप योर यू सी योर स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. हाँ, खींचो. पोस्टीरियर. दिस इज एंटीरियर. पोस्टीरियर में आओ. रिपकेज स्ट्रेट करो. स्पाइन स्ट्रेट करके दिखाओ अर्चना. स्पाइन स्ट्रेट करके दिखाओ. यहां तक लेके आना है. नाउ यू आर गेटिंग इट. अगेन रिवर्स. वेरी गुड. इनहेल. Go down, exhale, come back up. Try to move minimum your shoulder. Try to move from the pelvic and your rib cage only. अर्चना शोल्डर्स लाइन में नहीं है. एल्बो के नीचे लेके आओ शोल्डर को. शोल्डर पूरा खोलो. पहले एच पे रहो. शोल्डर पूरा खोलो. वेरी गुड. डू इट राइट दोस्तों. यू नीड टू डू योर स्ट्रेचेस राइट इन ऑर्डर टू इम्प्रूव. वेरी गुड राजेश जी. वेरी नाइस. चलिए एवरीवन वी विल होल्ड. Everyone will hold with the straight spine. So open your shoulder, posterior tight, rib cage engage, create a straight spine and give me a hold for 30 seconds. चलिए in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. चलिए posterior tight, rib cage engage, straight spine and hold it. 5. I'll take a picture and I'll show you किसका alignment अच्छा है. 10. 15. 20. राधा जल्दी क्यों आ गए. व्हाट हैपन. 30 सेकेंड होल्ड करो. 5, 4, 3, 2 एंड 1. रेस्ट इट. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील इट इन योर शोल्डर्स. शोल्डर पे फील हो रहा है. डिड यू फील इट. वेरी नाइस. वॉच इट. नाउ लेट्स सी हु हैज अ परफेक्ट स्ट्रेट लाइन. दिस इज अ गुड वन. वेरी गुड. Elbow, shoulder, nice curve, posterior tight. The rib cage is also nicely engaged. So beautiful rep. राजेश जी आपको पता है इसको कैसे चैलेंजिंग बनाना है. यू कीप गोइंग बैक, यू नो, मेक इट डिफिकल्ट. सेकेंड प्रिया. वेरी गुड. नॉट बैड. देर इज अ स्मॉल कर्व इन द rib cage. Very minute. But rest is good. Number 3 अर्चना. अच्छा है. You have a very amazing hip opening. The hip opening is nicely good. थोड़ा अवेयरनेस रिब केज पे चाहिए. रेस्ट इज गुड. राधा यू कैन डू बेटर. द शोल्डर्स आर गोइंग अप. इसको और खोलो. शोल्डर्स शुड गो more towards the floor. Right? We need to create a straight spine, which is not there yet. Need to work on this one. Archana, good job. Very beautiful. Elbow straight, elbow to shoulder straight, core engaged, posterior tight, rib cage engaged, straight spine. Good job. सुभाषिनी जी, देर इज स्टिल अ कर्व. देखो ऐसा कर्व आ रहा है. रिब केज और खींचो. रिब केज और अंदर लो. शोल्डर भी और खुलेगा. शोल्डर भी ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है. ओके एवरीवन, गेटिंग इट. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. आगे बढ़े. चले विल गो फॉर द स्ट्रेंथ पार्ट. नाउ दिस इज योर 30 minutes गुड mobility and stretch routine for the handstand. We're going to look into the strength part and then we go for the alignment and the balance. Make sense? चलिए शोल्डर से शुरू करते हैं और रेदर रिस्ट से शुरू करते हैं. ध्यान से देखिए. For the wrist strength, palm lift, 1, 2, 1, 2. Easy version. Slightly difficult, both the hands together. Intermediate, try to do from the plank. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can do it together, try to do it together. Chal, let's go for it. Aim for 20. Let's go. Yes. ज्यादा और वेट लो. और वेट लो. इमेजिन इस पे पूरा पूरा बॉडी का वेट जाने वाला है. जितना आप डिफिकल्ट इसको यहां पे बनाएंगे उतना हैंडस्टैंड में इजी फील होगा. मैक्सिमम वेट लेने की कोशिश कीजिए शोल्डर्स पे और फिर मूव कीजिए. सुभाषिनी नीज पीछे लीजिए. शोल्डर आगे लीजिए. वेट और बढ़ाइए. सब जने यहां से ट्राई करो. द रियल एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम हियर. व्हेन यू डू इट फ्रॉम द प्लैंक, this is where it really gets difficult and it really going to make effective changes in your handstand. सुभाषिनी शोल्डर पे वेट तो लो. आगे वेट तो आओ. हाथ पे वेट ही नहीं है. हाँ, यहां से लगाओ और आगे लो, नीज को आगे लो और शोल्डर को आगे लो, शोल्डर और आगे लो, शोल्डर और आगे लो, हाथ पे वेट बढ़ाओ। हाँ, नाउ गो। चलिए एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 दोस्तों, दिस इज फॉर द ग्रिप स्ट्रेंथ अगेन। फिंगर टिप्स, प्लैंक एंड होल्ड, राइट? इफ यू कैन गो फॉर पुशअप, यू गो फॉर पुशअप एंड होल्ड। चलिए 30 सेकेंड होल्ड लगाइए, आ जाइए। 30 सेकेंड होल्ड ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स, फिंगर टिप्स, यूज योर थंब एज वेल। इन 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, स्टार्ट। अर्चना होल्ड करो, चलो चलो चलो, जान लगानी पड़ेगी, ऐसे थोड़ी, इतना जल्दी गिव अप नहीं करो। सुभाषिनी इतना जल्दी गिव अप नहीं करो। 30 सेकेंड अर्चना, 30 सेकेंड्स। नहीं, पूरा फिंगर्स पे आओ अर्चना, फिंगर टिप्स पे आओ। 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, रिलैक्स। एवरीवन ध्यान से देखिए दोस्तों, अगर बहुत डिफिकल्ट है तो फिंगर टिप्स पे आओ, ऐसे कप बनाओ और यहां आके होल्ड करो अगर डिफिकल्ट है तो, और यहां पे पुशअप ट्राई करो, ठीक है? बट ऐसा कोई, ये दिस इज नॉट द राइट वे, this doesn't make sense, this also doesn't make sense, don't do it, do the easy version but do it right, make sense? Okay, चलिए फिंगर्स, एक लास्ट स्ट्रेच फॉर द फिंगर्स, देन वी गो फॉर द शोल्डर्स। ध्यान से देखिए, फिंगर फेसिंग द नी, फिंगर फेसिंग द नी, palm facing the sky, palm facing the sky, like this. Then elbows open and lock. Watch me do it from this angle only. Elbows open and lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again shoulder, ध्यान से देखो, don't do it from here. Do it from here. Wrist, elbow, shoulder on top of each other. Go for it. 10, 9, 8. Very good Radha. Good job Subhashini. 7. राजेश जी गुड जॉब। दोनों दोनों शोल्डर साथ में। 5, 4. अर्चना वेरी गुड। 3, 2, 1 एंड होल्ड इट। ध्यान से देखिए, यहां से फिस्ट बनाएंगे। 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, फिस्ट इट। चलिए 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Sit on your toes and let's go for the shoulders दोस्तों। We need a chair on any elevated surface for this one. ध्यान से देखिए करना क्या है। We go for the plank, we bend the knees and walk inside as much as we can. And then we want to lock the knees, go into the pike spot without moving the shoulders forward. ठीक है? Again, wrist, elbow, shoulder, spine needs to be in line. So plank position, bend your knees and walk as much as you can. As much as you can. Okay? Then you open the legs and lock. Walk by wrist, elbow, shoulder, spine needs to be in one line. 1, look between the hands. My ears are touching the shoulders. 2, 3. Okay? This should not happen. The shoulder should not move forward like this. Okay? Check. Let's go for it. Bend your knees and walk, Archana. Bend your knees and walk. Hands close to each other. 4 to 5 inch distance between the hands. Okay? The distance between the hand should not be more than 5 inches. और अंदर आओ अर्चना, this is not enough. Watch. Rajesh ji is doing good. Very good, Rajesh ji. Aim for 10 and hold at the last one if you can for 10 counts. पूरा हाथ रखो अर्चना, हैंडस्टैंड लगा रहे हो आप, क्या कर रहे हो? फुल पाम ऑन द फ्लोर, पूरा हाथ रखो, पूरा हाथ रखो. नाउ गो. होल्ड करो इधर ही और अंदर जाओ, हाथ और अंदर आएंगे. लेट्स गो राधा. हाँ, लॉक करो राधा, वेरी गुड. अच्छा है, पाव पास में लो, लेग्स टुगेदर दोस्तों. लेट्स सी सुभाषिनी, वेरी गुड, बेंड इट एंड लॉक इट, गुड जॉब. एक हाथ और अंदर आ सकता है, वन स्टेप क्लोजर इफ यू कैन. And hands close to each other more. There is too much distance, Subhashini. The distance between the hands is too much. Let's go, Priya. Priya, the shoulders are moving forward. Shoulders, hold the shoulders, hold the shoulders. The shoulders are moving forward. Good job. Better, good try. Aim for 10 and relax.
सर मेरे को समझ नहीं आया.
हाँ. The goal is to get the hip over the shoulder. आपका रिस्ट, एल्बो, शोल्डर, स्पाइन एक लाइन में होना चाहिए और हिप ऑन टॉप होना चाहिए. फिर से जाओ, मैं बताता हूं, मैं गाइड करता हूं. गो फॉर इट. वेरी गुड. हाँ, अंदर वॉक करो, चेयर की तरफ वॉक करो, चेयर की तरफ वॉक करो जितना हो सकता है. पाँव वहीं रखो, पाँव वहीं रखो, पाँव को नहीं, हाथ से वॉक करो अंदर की तरफ. और अंदर जाओ और अंदर जाओ और अंदर जाओ, वेरी गुड. अब यहां से शोल्डर को यहीं रखो, नीस को लॉक करो, हिप को शोल्डर के ऊपर आने दो. हाँ, नीस को लॉक करने की कोशिश करो. हाँ, कीप गोइंग, यू डूइंग गुड. हाँ, जाने दो जाने दो जाने दो, और जाओ, लेग्स लॉक करने तक जाने दो. आगे थोड़ा पाँव पीछे दे सकते हो. यस, ये अच्छा स्पॉट है. वन. Yes, good job. Bend your knees and lock again. Number two. Go again, go again, go again. Everyone please watch. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, spine एकदम बिल्कुल सीधा. दोनों हाथ के बीच में देखेंगे. Number three. Go again, go again. Archana, don't look at the camera. You're doing good. Distracted. चलिए everyone, ध्यान से देखिए. The next one is the shoulder tap. From this same spot, can you give me a shoulder tap? Watch me. होगा ये कि जब आप शोल्डर टैप के लिए जाएंगे, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट शिफ्टिंग द वेट, द शोल्डर विल स्टार्ट मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, एंड दैट्स वेयर द कैच इज. यू नीड टू मेक श्योर द शोल्डर इज ओनली मूविंग लेफ्ट एंड राइट एंड नॉट फॉरवर्ड बैकवर्ड. एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड्स दिस? द शोल्डर शुड नॉट मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड, it will move left to right. Let me show you. Plank position. Bend your knees, walk inside, lock it here, and then shift the weight. 1, 2, 3, 4. यहां नहीं होना चाहिए, यहीं रहना चाहिए. ठीक है, चलिए, लेट्स गो फॉर इट नाउ. बिगिनर स्टूडेंट्स एम फॉर 10 each side. Priya ji, Rajesh ji, those who are practicing for a long time, now aim for at least 15 each side. 30 reps. Chalo. Slow and control, slow and control. If possible, knees lock. Thota bend, a little bend in the knees is okay, दोस्तों. Focus on your upper body and your shoulder. राजेश जी, एक हाथ और अंदर लीजिए. Now go. Let's go. Very good, Archana. The hip should not go towards the chair. Keep the hip on top of the shoulders. Yes, very good, Archana. It's a difficult one, dosto. If you think it's going easy, you're doing it wrong. Archana, if you're doing it, if it feels easy, you're doing it wrong. It is difficult, dosto. Right? Get the hip over the shoulder. Yes, Radha, अच्छा है, knees lock करके लगाओ. Same thing. Lock your knees. नहीं आ रहा है, चलो ठीक है. जितना हो सकता है उतना लॉक करो. इतना बेंड नहीं करो. You're bending it too much. Don't bend it this much. A little bend is okay. Don't bend it too much. If you bend it too much, the hips start going towards the chair and there is less weight on the hands. The purpose is gone, you know. Very good. Do it 5 each side and break. Then go 5 each side and break. Then go 5 each side and break. It's okay. But do it right. Again, do it right. 5 good reps is important than 15 bad reps. Yes, Priya, very good. Legs together. Hip और ऊपर आने दो. One step closer to chair if you can. Closer to bed if you can. Take one step closer. Yes. Now go. Go, Archana. Go again, go again, go again. Finish 30. Give me a thumbs up. Finish 30 and give me a thumbs up.
Can we fix mine?
So, yes, please go for it, Shubhashini. वेरी गुड. आने दीजिए हिप ओवर द शोल्डर. वेरी नाइस. 1 2 3. अच्छा है. हाथ और अंदर आने दीजिए. एज यू स्टेप, एज यू गो फॉर द शोल्डर टैप, स्टेप इनसाइड. हाँ, यस, दिस इज बेटर. दिस इज बेटर. वेरी गुड. स्लो इन कंट्रोल, स्लो इन कंट्रोल, स्लो इन कंट्रोल. वेरी गुड. चलिए दोस्तों, रेस्ट इट आउट, रिलैक्स. लास्ट वन फॉर द शोल्डर दोस्तों. इधर यू गो फॉर वॉल वॉक इफ यू कैन. If you can do this, watch it. Easy version, wall walk. Okay, difficult version, side walks. और अगर ये भी difficult है, then you do it on the chair. Walk. Side to side. Okay? 1 minute everyone, let's go. 1 मिनट तक नीचे नहीं उतरना है. चाहे आप इनसाइड आउट करो, चाहे आप साइड टू साइड करो, चाहे आप चेयर पे करो. 1 मिनट गोल है. 1 मिनट तक रहना है हमको. ठीक है? अर्चना रुको. नीचे आओ. अर्चना नीचे आओ. वेरी गुड. वेट करो. सब जने एक साथ जाएंगे, सब जने एक साथ आएंगे. ठीक है? चलिए. इन 5 4 3 2 1, लेट्स गो. लेग्स ऑन द वॉल. 1 मिनट तक ऊपर ही रहना है. जल्दी प्रिया, टाइम स्टार्टेड. वेरी गुड. 5 10. वॉक करो अर्चना, वॉक करो साइड टू साइड, फ्रंट बैक. होल्ड नहीं करना है. वी हैव 2 अर्चनास. कीप मूविंग बोथ द अर्चनास. यस, कीप मूविंग. 25. लेफ्ट टू राइट, फ्रंट बैक, शोल्डर टैप, शोल्डर श्रग्स. नो स्टैटिक, दिस इज डायनामिक. 35. चेयर पे लगाओ अर्चना. गो टू द चेयर एंड गो. Not you, Archana. You are already doing good. The other Archana who's already resting. 15 seconds. I need to make them this distinction. 10 more seconds, Radha. Come on. 10 more seconds. 5 4 3 2 and 1. Relax. आ जाओ नीचे, आ जाओ. Everyone come down. Rest it out. Shoulder rotation. चलिए. नेक्स्ट वी गो फॉर कोर स्ट्रेंथ दोस्तों. ध्यान से देखिए. Full spine on the floor. Engage your core, release your shoulders and hands behind your ears. Hands यहाँ नहीं आएंगे. Keep looking at the toes and hold here. जितना ऊपर आएंगे उतना अच्छा है. And hold for a minute. If this feels easy, you can go here as well. This is level 2. This is level 3. चलिए. 1 minute hold everyone. Again I am telling you दोस्तों, 1 minute hold with easy version is already very difficult. Do it right rather than try to go for difficult version and mess up with your form. Do the easy version and give me a 1 minute solid hold. You will feel it in your core, which will help you in your handstand. चलिए दोस्तों, in 5 4 3 2 1, टाइम स्टार्ट. हाथ कान के पीछे अर्चना, हाथ कान के पीछे. साइड एंगल से कान दिखना चाहिए. आई शुड बी एबल टू सी योर ईयर्स. राधा, हाथ कान के पीछे. वेरी गुड. टाइम स्टार्ट. 20 seconds. 30. हाथ कान के पीछे रहा था. डू इट इजी. पाँव फ्लोर पे लो अगर डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है तो. यस. अपर बॉडी का एंगेजमेंट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. अर्चना, फुल एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द हैंड. हाथ कान के पीछे रखो. बार बार नहीं बोलना पड़े प्लीज दोस्तों. ध्यान से सुनो. हाथ कान के पीछे. 5 4, 3, 2 and 1. Rest it out. चलिए एक और एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. सबको कोर में एंगेजमेंट फील हुआ? Everyone felt it? Everyone felt it? Very good. Watch me exercise number 2. Hands behind your ear. Now watch it. There is an arch in my back. Right? I had to press the arm, the navel point towards the floor like this. Okay? This is the movement we are looking for. Right? Engage 1. Engage 2. 3. Hands in the air, legs in the air. And the spine is on the floor, holding the core. 4. 5. Okay? Let's go for 20 of these. Hello. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Toes pointed, Radha. Press your navel point on the floor. हाथ कान के पीछे. अर्चना, nobody brings the hands forward. हाथ कान के पीछे रखते हुए. 1, 2, 3. Go for it, Priya. This is hollow body hold. 4, 5. Legs भी हवा में लो if you can, Radha. Upper body is doing beautiful. 6. Legs in the air. हाथ आगे 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 नहीं लाओ. 7, 8. Rajesh ji, very good. 9, 10, 10, 9. Archana, full extension of the hand. 8, 7. Chalo, Archana. Archana with the blue green pant. 6. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 last. Very good. Relax. समझ में आया सबको? Everyone felt the movement of the core muscles? Give me a thumbs up. Archana, Priya, Subhashini. Archana with the green pant. Core engage हुआ, feel हुआ. Subhashini, Radha, engagement feel हुआ. Very good. The last is using the core muscles to bring your lower body, upper body together. We call it V up. You can also do U up. The goal is to using the core muscles and try to see if we can bring the upper body and lower body together. It's a difficult one, but this is one of the basic exercise in the gymnastic. It's very effective for your handstand and other important difficult skills. Watch it. Last one, dosto. Easy version. Bring your knees and shoulders together using the core muscles. Using the core muscles, right? Difficult one, keeping the leg and the hand straight. Right? Using the core muscles. Check. Let's go for it. Aim for 20 good reps. Advanced बच्चे 30 reps. चलो. 30 V-ups or U-ups. Pick your version and go. If you're new to this exercise, aim for 20 good reps. If you're doing it for quite some while, aim for 30. चलो 3, 2, 1. Let's go without a break. Come on. कोशिश करेंगे बिना ब्रेक के 20 और 30. Archana, very good. Toes pointed, leg straight. Priya, very nice. Rajesh ji, very good. Subhashini, नहीं हो रहा है. नीज ओपन करो, पूरा लेके आओ, पूरा रेप लगाओ.
ऐसे लगाते हैं, आपने ऐसे भी लगता है ऐसे तो।
Subhashini, Archana, watch this and go. Go, Radha. Yes, this is what we are looking for. Knees to the shoulder. Knees open करो, Subhashini. Yes, very good. Knees open करो, Subhashini. जब फ्लोर पे आओ, पाँव स्ट्रेट रखो and bring it down. चलो राधा, रुको मत, रुको मत, रुको मत, सोचो मत. Keep going. Keep fighting, दोस्तों. Keep fighting. It's not going to be easy. Keep fighting. 30 reps. 30 good reps. यस अर्चना, अच्छा है. नीज बेंड करो. नीज को शोल्डर से टच करके दिखाओ अर्चना. नीज को शोल्डर से टच करके दिखाओ. थर्टी डन. सुभाषिनी 30 डन. नहीं हुआ तो फिर गो बैक, गो बैक, गो बैक, गो बैक. टेक अ ब्रीदर एंड गो बैक. मैक्सिमम रेस्ट इज 5 सेकेंड दोस्तों. गो बैक. Do it slow but do not stop. Do it slow but do not stop. Archana, go again. Go again, go again, go again. I'm watching you. Go again. Knees to the shoulder. Knees to the shoulder. Knees and shoulders. Yes, now you got it. अब अच्छा लगा रहे हो आप. वेरी गुड. ये रैप लगाना है. ब्यूटीफुल. फिनिश करो. 30 फिनिश करो. वेरी गुड. सुभाषिनी, नाउ यू आर डूइंग इट राइट. वेरी गुड जॉब. जिनका डन हो गया है कैट एंड काउ लगा लो दोस्तों. हैंडस्टैंड शुरू करेंगे. Those who finish, do a small cat and cow, upper dog. Subhashini done, Radha done, Archana 30 done. Let's it out, cat and cow. Have a sip of water दोस्तों. चलिए ध्यान से देखिए नेक्स्ट वन. Yes, if you need a side angle, if you have another device that you want to log into, this is the time दोस्तों. What we are really looking for, a good angle where I can see from the floor to the top. Watch it. So this is what we are looking for, everyone. Angle where you can see me from the toes to the hands. If you have this angle, or if you have a phone camera to which you can put on a wall with a side angle, go for it. If everyone is good, we start. Rajesh ji, Radha, Subhashini, yes, good angle. Archana, good angle. Purnima, if you can do me a good angle. Priya, perfect angle. All right, everyone, watch me for this one. We're going to start from the pike. If you need a chair to enter into your handstand, to get the chair, watch it. So, those who are really starting and it's difficult for them, use the chair. Hands on the floor, use the chair, walk in, then take one leg on the wall, hold it here, and then lock it. What we are really looking for, a good 90-degree angle here. Those who can go without the chair, hands on the floor, hands closed, one leg on the wall, second leg on the wall, and then you're going to lock it. One, go back. Ear touching the shoulder, दोस्तों. Two, shoulder यहाँ नहीं आना चाहिए. It has to be on the top of the wrist and the elbows. Chin. Let's go for it. 6 to 8. चलिए. Very good, Purnima. Bend your knees and lock it. Very good. Can you go one step closer to the wall? हाथ से एक step और अंदर आ सकते हो पूर्णिमा तो try. If it is easy, walk closer to the wall. Yes, Purnima, good job. Look between the hands and lock your knees and go back again. Very good. राजेश जी पाँव नीचे लीजिए. अर्चना हाथ अंदर लो. बहुत दूर है हाथ. सुभाषिनी गो फॉर इट. आई एम वॉचिंग. गो राधा. आई एम वॉचिंग. यस. लुक बिटवीन द हैंड्स. राधा अच्छा है. प्रिया अच्छा है. वेरी गुड. Archana, go, I'm watching. Hands close to each other, दोस्तों. Again, 5-inch distance in between the hands. Maximum 5 inch between the hands. Subhashini, पाँव नीचे लेके आओ. हाँ, now bend your knees. Go again. राजेश जी अच्छा है. If it starts to feel easy, one step closer to the wall. हाथ से वॉक करो अंदर की तरफ. अर्चना बहुत दूर है हाथ. बहुत दूर है अर्चना. हाँ, यहां से लगाना है. हिप की लाइन में रखो पाँव, पाँव और ऊपर लो थोड़ा, हिप की लाइन में रहने चाहिए पाँव। प्रिया शोल्डर आगे जा रहा है, रोको उसको, ईयर शुड टच द शोल्डर, होल्ड इट ईयर, यस, शोल्डर आगे नहीं जाने दो। चलिए, रेस्ट इट आउट एवरीवन, एवरीवन रिलैक्स। Most of you are doing a good job. Next round, I want you to give me a good 30-second hold. I'm going to take a picture. 30 seconds could be difficult for you guys. The goal is to get a 1 minute hold here. We're doing 30 seconds here. If you can hold more, please hold more, but minimum aim for 30. After 10-15 seconds, the shoulder starts to go away from the wall. We need to keep pushing the shoulder towards the wall. Everyone understands this? Can we go for a hold? Chaliye, go for it. On my count again. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Handstand. Leg up on the wall. Go for it, Purnima. I'm watching. Knees bent right now. Go close as you can with your hand. Keep your distance in check between the hands. And then now lock it. Make sure the ears are touching the shoulder. Everything locked and hold. Time start. Lock karo Priya. Hold karo. Lock and hold. Lock and hold. Purnima, lock and hold. Knees lock and hold. Knees lock and hold. Archana, lock and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What happened, Archana?
Sir, getting a little confused. I don't know if the leg is going up or down. So if you can just check once.
But you came down before I was taking the picture. The picture is to check the form, no?
Okay, I got a little confused, sir.
Now wait, we will go one more round, but we will check once how everyone did. Watch it everyone. एक एक करके चेक करते हैं. राजेश जी ध्यान से देखिए दोस्तों. रिस्ट, एल्बो, शोल्डर, हिप एक लाइन में. हील थोड़ा और नीचे रह सकता है राजेश जी. रेस्ट इज लुकिंग गुड. लुक बिटवीन द हैंड्स. ठीक है. नंबर 2 सुभाषिनी. सॉरी नो एनर्जी. इट्स ओके प्रिया. आई नो योर हेल्थ इज नॉट गुड टुडे. इट्स ऑल गुड. डू योर बेस्ट. देखो ये रिस्ट, एल्बो, शोल्डर ऐसा हिप के ऊपर जा रहा है. जितना जब तक हिप लेग की लाइन में नहीं आएगा तब तक ये क्लीन नहीं बनेगा. सो हिप इन लाइन विद द लेग्स. पाँव और नीचे लेके आएंगे. ठीक है. आई नो इट्स डिफिकल्ट राइट नाउ बट कीप ट्राइंग यू नो. राधा यू डिड अ गुड जॉब बट 30 सेकेंड नहीं आए. देखिए दोस्तों ये अच्छा स्पॉट है. थोड़ा सा हील ऊपर रहेगा तो भी चलेगा बट दिस इज अ गुड स्पॉट. ये एल्बोज बेंड हो जाते हैं बिकॉज इट्स हार्ड फॉर द हैंड्स टू होल्ड दैट स्पॉट. अभी 5, 8, 10 सेकेंड आपका होल्ड है. we need to improve our time there. Subhashini, this is a good spot. देखो but आप देख रहे हो. Notice everyone please from this angle you will be able to see better. Do you see she's taking more weight on this hand and less on this? Right? This happens in the handstand. Your one hand feels stronger than the other. So your inner intelligence shift your weight on one hand more because it feels more strong and less on the other hand. Right? This happens in the handstand. So we need to make sure, keep pressing with both the hands equally. Okay. Priya, you did good. Again, your health is not good, so you are not able to hold for 30 seconds, but the spot is nice. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, spine, everything is good. Punyama, you are not holding the legs straight, so the knee needs to be straight. You feel confused. If you have any questions, doubts, ask me before we go on the wall, okay? If you have any confusion, what am I doing, if I'm doing right, wrong, ask me. Watch it. This one, everyone did a good alignment, including Subhashini ji. So legs came down, हाथ और अंदर लेके आना, right? When you bring one hand more closer, you create a good line with the upper body as well. But right now it's difficult. But that's the goal for the coming week. ये practice करना है हमको, right? Archana, same for you as well. You find this line right. See, 90 degree. And you were trying to push the shoulder towards the wall. You're doing a good job. You're doing a very good job, right? पिछले round से इस round में you can see clearly a very good improvement. Purnima, you also did a great job. Everyone did a good job. Everyone was better aligned, more time than the last round. Knees lock हो सकते थे Priya. You can do a better job with the knee. Rest. Rajesh ji, hands were slightly inside. I can see. Any confusion so far? Everyone is good. Now here the next thing come. Now this is going to be challenging dosto. First you find your good pike, which you already did. All of you have a good pike right now. The goal here is to extend one leg from here. If it is hard, I can show you from the chair. But if you can do it from the wall, we try it from the wall. Let me show you from the side angle. Watch it. So again, tuck entry, pike hold, then extend one leg on top of the hip. Just hold it there. Can you give me a 30-second hold? Watch it. Here, legs inside, lock first. You find the lock. Then extend one leg here and give me a good nice 30-second hold. 30-second hold. Sure. Let's start. Let's give it a go. First round is just a trial round. If it is super difficult or the alignment is not good, we can try the same thing on the floor. On the chair, I mean. Purnima, very good. Reverse count 20, Purnima. 20 counts reverse करो. Slow and control. अर्चना हाथ और अंदर आएगा. हाथ क्लोज भी करो एक दूसरे से. बहुत दूर है. वॉल वाला लेग थोड़ा बेंड रखोगे तो चलेगा. You can keep the leg on the wall slightly bend. It's okay. Yes, Archana, perfect. 20 counts reverse. Very good, Radha. 20 counts reverse. Rajesh ji, 20 counts reverse. Very good. Everyone. Priya, you're doing good as well. 20 counts reverse. Shubhashini, very good. 20 counts reverse. Hip over the shoulder. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Beautiful. Press it out, relax. आराम से ब्रेक लीजिए. छोटा ब्रेक लीजिए. रिस्ट रोटेशन कीजिए. शोल्डर रोटेशन, रिस्ट रोटेशन. चलिए लेग चेंज करेंगे. वेट 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 वेट. लेग चेंज करेंगे. आई सॉ सम ऑफ यू आर डूइंग अ वेरी गुड जॉब. द अलाइनमेंट इज वेरी गुड. Purnima, keeping the leg straight was a better idea for you because you have the mobility. So the alignment was better with the bend, with the straight leg. Don't bend it if you have the flexibility and mobility, dosto. Only those who cannot open the hamstring nicely can bend the leg. Okay. Otherwise, if you have the opening and you bend the leg, the hip starts going towards the wall and the weight will shift towards the wall instead of the shoulder. Make sense? So don't bend it unnecessarily. If you can keep it straight, keep it straight. The second thing, those who are doing very good, feeling confident for 30 seconds, instead of the full foot on the wall, press the foot, release the heel and stay on the tippy toes on the wall. Let me show you. The second leg, we will go for the second leg and you try a slightly difficult version. Watch it. If you're not comfortable, we do the same thing we did in the last round. वेरी गुड. पूरा वेट हाथ पे लेने की कोशिश कीजिए. ट्राई टू ब्रिंग ऑल द वेट ऑन योर हैंड्स. लेग्स लॉक इफ यू कैन. होल्ड इट फॉर 10, 9, 8, tippy toes, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. आराम से बैठेंगे. एवरीवन रिलैक्स. रिस्ट रोटेशंस. Relax. चलिए, I have a picture. Let's check what you did in the last round. आ जाओ. Good spot here, but the hip is not over the shoulder, right? देख रहे हैं आप? ये हिप थोड़ा सा भी वॉल की तरफ है, तो हाथ अंदर लेकर के सेम ट्राई करना है हमको, राइट? और फिर आप टो प्रेस करना शुरू करोगे. ऊपर वाला पांव ऐसे खुलने लगा है इस तरफ. दिस इज कॉल्ड ओवर बैलेंसिंग. द हिप शुड बी ऑन टॉप ऑफ द लेग. Slightly under balance is okay, but never should go on the other way, over the head. This is called over balancing. Over balancing should not happen. So slight more correction in the alignment right now. Radha, amazing, very good job. Raised elbow shoulder on top of each other, very good. Build more time here. 30 seconds से 45 seconds, 60 seconds build करना है हमको यहाँ पे, ठीक है? And then you start pressing it. Heels थोड़ा रिलीज हुआ है और रिलीज होगा बॉल, ठीक है? नंबर 3. अच्छा है, ध्यान से देखिए दोस्तों. रिस्ट, एल्बो, शोल्डर, स्पाइन, ग्लूट, टोस एकदम सीधा, राइट? ये वाला लेग थोड़ा सा बेंड है क्योंकि हैमस्ट्रिंग अभी और अच्छा हो सकता है, बट अदरवाइज अलाइनमेंट इज वेरी गुड, राइट? ही इज रेडी टू रिलीज द वॉल. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस अलाइनमेंट इज 10 on 10. मेक सेंस? When your alignment is very good, you are ready to release the wall and start working on the balance and the finger grip. Archana, you also did a good job. Raised elbow shoulder, ये वाला पाव थोड़ा सा और देखो, तो ऐसा बाहर की तरफ भी खुल रहा है. डू यू सी द एक्सटर्नल रोटेशन ऑफ द हिप? तो ऐसा उधर चढ़ा हुआ ना, स्टेयर्स की तरफ ओपन होने लगा है टोस. डू यू सी माय पॉइंट? द हील इज ओपनिंग लाइक दिस. सो एक इट हैज टू बी ऑन टॉप ऑफ द हिप एंड इट शुड बी internally activated, which we are doing in the middle splits, right? Middle splits में हम करते हैं ना internal activation, not external. Okay? चलिए नेक्स्ट. प्रिया, वेरी गुड जॉब. अगेन जैसा राजेश जी का, एग्जैक्टली लाइक राजेश जी. दिस अलाइनमेंट इज वेरी गुड. दिस लेग इज स्लाइटली बेंड, बट यू आर ऑन द टिपी टो, सो द वेट इज ऑल ऑन द हैंड्स. सो गुड जॉब. थोड़ा सा देर इज अ स्लाइट कर्व. The shoulder needs to push more towards the wall. So there is a small curve. The shoulder needs more opening. So push your shoulder towards the wall a little more. Purnima, you were doing good, but when I took the picture, the elbows are bent, the knees are bent. But when you started, you were good. So what you're looking for is more time with good alignment. So your right alignment is good, but you're not able to hold for 30-40 seconds right now, right? So you need to work on the endurance, more strength. Okay? कोई और बचा है? I checked everyone, right? I checked everyone. Now watch it, दोस्तों. The weight shifting part. This one is specifically for Rajesh ji and Priya because their alignment is very good and they're on the edge of the wall. Everyone else as well, those who have a very good alignment and does not have a good time under the handstand. So for Purnima, Radha, you need to work on the time. Archana, you as well. Build more time here. We will go one more round. You want to build more time. Don't try to release the leg. Just get the good alignment. Aim for 30-40 seconds. Subhashini ji, your alignment is getting better with every class. We need to come down a little more. One step closer. Probably we find a good alignment. Rajesh ji and Priya, you want to release the leg this time. Right? How do you do that? You keep shifting the weight. You can bend the leg on the wall to release it and you can release it straight as well. Let me show you once. And this is the next step for Radha, Archana and Purnima. Once you get a good hold with a good alignment, you want to shift your weight on the hand, start feeling lightest on the wall and without any effort, just shift the weight, the leg will release automatically. Always remember dosto, this is something which requires patience because we want to release the wall soon, faster, You need to just shift the weight, the leg will release automatically. So you need to build that patience to keep shifting the weight slow and control until the leg is released automatically. Make sense? Let me show you, then we go. Check it. 2, 3 is the same. Step 4 is the release. Can keep the leg bent, or you can keep the leg straight, or you can take it into the straight line. Straight line might be difficult. Bending and holding will be the easiest. Watch it. Go up, find your line, leg straight, and tip it push. Once you find a good alignment here, you want to release it like this. Second level, you can simply release it. Toes point, tippy toes, tippy toes, tippy toes, and release it here. Level 3 would be to go all the way up and hold it here. Okay? Chale, let's give it a go. Chale. Priya, Rajesh ji, I am expecting a wall release. Everyone else, build your time under a good alignment. Acha, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All the way up. Go into your pike. Very good, Purniva. अच्छा है. Time hold करना है यहाँ पे. अर्चना हाथ और अंदर आएगा. Very good, राधा. Leg release करो. हाथ से और प्रेस करो. जान लगा के. हाथ से प्रेस करके रखो. Elbow bend ना होने पाए. Subhashini, अच्छा है. Keep pushing the shoulder towards the wall. Keep pushing the shoulder towards the wall. Shoulder towards the wall, Subhashini. Shoulder towards the wall. Yes, keep pushing it here. Very good, Priya. Release if you can. Rajesh ji, very good. हाँ, हाथ से प्रेस करो राजेश जी. हाथ से प्रेस करो. गुड जॉब राजेश जी. अच्छा आ रहा है, लेकिन ऐसा टावर लूज होना शुरू हो जाता है. वेरी गुड प्रिया. रिलीज. यस. जस्ट शिफ्ट योर वेट. चले एवरीवन. राजेश जी रुकिए रुकिए रुकिए. साथ में जाएंगे. प्रिया छोटा ब्रेक. एवरीवन स्मॉल ब्रेक लेंगे. एवरीवन टेक अ स्मॉल ब्रेक. लेट्स गो वन बाय वन. राजेश जी यू स्टार्ट. You do the level that you're feeling good at, okay? And you give me the best round possible. चलिए राजेश जी. राजेश जी आपको बस ये ध्यान रखना है, लेग रिलीज करने के बाद फिंगर से वेट वापस बेस पे नहीं आना चाहिए. अगर बेस पे वेट आया, you will go back to the wall. If you can keep the weight here, you will get the hold. That's the last piece. We are working on this for months now. Come on, give me a good rep. चलिए everyone please watch. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. टोस पॉइंट लेग स्ट्रेट. टोस पॉइंट लेग स्ट्रेट. दोनों टोस पॉइंट कीजिए. वेट शिफ्ट और कीजिए. लेग्स लॉक कीजिए. द लेग ऑन द वॉल. लॉक दैट लेग एज वेल. स्लोली. नहीं, द बॉडी वेट इज शिफ्टिंग टुवर्ड्स द वॉल. मोर वेट ऑन द फिंगर्स बिफोर यू रिलीज द लेग. यस, वेरी गुड. फिंगर्स पे और वेट लीजिए बिफोर यू रिलीज. मोर वेट ऑन द फिंगर्स बिफोर यू रिलीज. गुड ट्राई. बट थोड़ा इम्पेशेंट हो जाते हैं ना. थोड़ा इम्पेशेंट हो जाते हैं लास्ट में. चले राधा, योर टर्न. वेरी गुड. वन लेग लॉक and straight all the way, toes pointed. Time start. Radha, give me your best step. Keep pressing with your hands. Very good. हाथ से प्रेस करते रहो. हाथ से प्रेस करते रहो. Keep pushing your shoulder towards the wall. Very good. 10. Maximum weight on the hands, minimum on the wall. Wall is only for the balance. 15. Hold karo. Wall is only for the balance. 20. 1 minute. Come on, Radha. 1 minute. Hold here. 25. 30. Stay with me. Stay with me, Radha. Don't give up. 35. आ जाओ नीचे आ जाओ. 35 is a very good rep. Radha, very good. 1 minute का चैलेंज लेना है हमको. बट अलाइनमेंट इज परफेक्ट. नो करेक्शन देयर. कीप प्रेसिंग विथ योर हैंड्स. थोड़ा शोल्डर स्ट्रेंथ और अच्छा होगा तो विल फील बेटर. चलो सुभाषिनी जी, योर टर्न. गिव मी योर बेस्ट रैप. Very good job. Very good job. Keep pushing your shoulder towards the wall. If you can release one leg towards the sky, toes pointed, leg straight, everything is beautiful. Hold it here. Hold it here. Much better, yaar. Very good. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30 more, 35, 40, let's go 20 more, 45, 50, क्या बात है, one last, 10 seconds, good job, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Subhashini, I'm so proud of you. You did crazy good. 1 minute hold with a good alignment. देखो हमने कहाँ से शुरू किया था. Everyone, please watch. This is beautiful to see. हमने कहाँ से शुरू किया था. फर्स्ट राउंड और फिफ्थ राउंड तक आते आते हिप शोल्डर के ऊपर चला गया बिल्कुल, और ये पाँव भी सीधा आ गया है, और आप 1 मिनट तक होल्ड कर रहे हो. यू सी द इंप्रूवमेंट, राइट? गुड जॉब, वेरी गुड, आई एम सुपर हैप्पी. चलो कौन जाएगा नेक्स्ट? हु वांट्स टू गो? अर्चना, लेट्स गो. अर्चना, हाथ को एक स्टेप अंदर रखना, जहां पे आपको लगता है यहां अच्छा है वहां से एक स्टेप अंदर, ठीक है? लेट्स गो. हाँ, एक हाथ अंदर लो. एक अंदर लेने को बोल रहा हूं आपको मैं. क्लोजर टू द वॉल जाओ. वेरी गुड. चलो लेग्स लॉक करो. लुक बिटवीन द हैंड्स, लुक बिटवीन द हैंड्स. अभी पूरा वेट हाथ पे शिफ्ट करो. वेरी गुड. ऊपर वाला पाँव लॉक. वेरी गुड. शोल्डर वॉल की तरफ पुश करो, फिंगर्स पे वेट रखते हुए. टाइम स्टार्ट. चलेगा, ये भी चलेगा. हाथ पे वेट लो. हाथ पे वेट नहीं है, वॉल पे वेट नहीं चाहिए मुझे. शोल्डर आगे नहीं लो, शोल्डर वॉल की तरफ, और शिफ्ट योर वेट. शोल्डर टुवर्ड्स द वॉल एंड शिफ्ट द वेट. हाँ, लुक बिटवीन द हैंड्स. वेरी गुड. होल्ड इट हियर 20 seconds. Look between the hands. Hold it here 20 seconds. See, it's difficult right now. It's difficult right now. कोई बात नहीं, छोटा ब्रेक लेंगे. Keep working on this one. Priya ji, your turn. Purnima, your turn after this. Wait. I'll put you in spotlight. Very good. Priya ji, go. Very good. Look between the hands. One leg up all the way. Toes point. Beautiful. Shift your weight to the fingers. Very good. Release the leg if you can and hold it. कोशिश करो वापस. Not feeling good? Oh, cramp आया. Okay. Go again. Purnima, wait. Let me spot you. Give it 30 seconds. Priya ji, go. Archana, watch it. ध्यान से देखो और ऑब्जर्व करो. When you watch it, you will be able to see it. अपना wrist, elbow, shoulder चेक करो प्रिया जी का. When you shift your body weight, the shoulder should not move, and that's what happening in your case, right? The shoulders are stable when she's moving the body weight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 3 to 5 seconds. But it was with good alignment. Good job. Chali, Purnima, your turn. Very good. Look between the hands and time start. Very good. Keep pressing with your palm. Try to shift the weight to the center of the palm and towards your fingertips. Very good. 10 seconds. 15 seconds. Stay with me. 20. Stay with me. Don't give up. 25. Come on, stay. 1 minute goal. Keep pressing with your hands. Stay with me. 30. Not bad. But it was with good alignment. Our goal is to hold for a minute. When you have a minute hold, then that's when you have a good stability to try and shift the weight and try to hold. Rajesh ji, you and Priya ji, only one correction. When she shifts the weight, it doesn't go back to the wall. And that's where we are missing right now, Rajesh ji. The body weight goes back to the wall, and that's what we need to fix. Priya ji, you're doing good. We need to build more time. So 5 seconds is coming. We need to make for 10. We need to aim for 15 and 20. Archana, alignment. When you shift the body weight, the shoulder should not shift. That's the key, right? Radha, very good. You have 1 minute hold here. Super happy. No. Subhashini had a 1 minute hold. You had a 35-second hold. So we need to get a 1 minute hold here. Subhashini ji, very good job. You have a minute hold here. Embrace it. Keep practicing throughout the week. And then we start working on the weight shift. Everyone is feeling good? Can we do the prayer? Chalo, aajao. Sit in the cross leg position. Sit in Padmasana if you can. Big inhale. Exhale. Join your hands, close your eyes. Repeat after me. We practice for happiness. We practice for health. We practice to make this world a better place. We practice for consciousness. We practice for creators and creations. We practice to breathe in the life within us. Step your hand, create yogic energy between your palm. Take this energy to your eyes. Massage your face. Massage your eyes. Bow down to the mother. Try to touch your forehead on the floor. Come back up. Open your eyes. Open your palm and say thank you to everything you love. Big smile on your face and relax. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. I will share the recording with you in some time. Have a great day ahead, and I will see you in the next week. Keep practicing. Record your videos. Share it in the group, and I would love to review them and help you. Have a great week ahead. Bye bye.